Trust me, you will enjoy how I will solve this tricky exponential equation. And if you know another way of solving it, let me see it in the comment section. Let's do this together. Now, 4 raised to the power of x equals to x raised to the power 64. What if I multiply the left hand side, the powers, by 1 over 64? By 1 over 64. I'm multiplying the powers here, this side and this side, by both the left hand side and the right hand side by 1 over 64. The dot here means times. If that happens, this and this will go. So we will be left with 4 raised to the power x times 1 over 64. Of course, it's important to know that if you have maybe a raised to the power m raised to the power of n, you can have it to be a, this one go inside, then raised to the power of m. And this is also permitted that you can have it as a raised to the power mn. So if we understand to this level, then we are good to go. You come back to this place. This is equal to x. Now I'm trying to see, I'll take x outside and put 1 over 64 in, and this will be equal to x. We are there now. Now if I decide to multiply the powers again with the left hand side and the right hand side by 1 over x, that will be 4 raised to the power of 1 over 64. 4 raised to the power of 1 over 64 raised to the power of x. This and this are multiplying, then times 1 over x. I want to multiply the powers both the left hand side and right hand side by 1 over x. I have done so to this side, then same to this side. If that happens, this and this will go. So we'll have 4 raised to the power of 1 over 64 equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x. We are going somewhere. We are looking at the situation where we have both the base, the same thing here and the same thing here. So we have the base and inverse of the base on top as power. That is where we are going. So please follow me. Let's go. I will have to clean here. From here, I have 4. Now 4 raised to the power of 1 over 64 from here equals to x by 1 over x. But I can write 4 here as 4 times 1, then times 1 over 64. It's the same thing, because 1 times 1 is still 1 divided by 64 is same thing. But now look at something here. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So you can replace this one here by 4 divided by 4. If that happens, I have 4 which is still 1, then times 1 over 64, and it's equal to this. So that I can take this 1 over 4 outside, then I have 4 raised to the power of 4. This 1 is the one here. Then I take this 1 over 4 out, and times 1 over 64. We are almost there. So 4 raised to the power of 4 is 256, and 1 times 1 is 1 here. 4 times 64 is still 256, and it's equal to x power 1 over x. Now we have succeeded having the base and the inverse of the base as the power, just like what we have here. So if we compare, it means that this is equal to this. It means 256 equals to x, the first one. And it also means that their powers 1 over 256 is equal to 1 over x. From here, this time this will give you x, and this time this give you 256. So whether you're comparing the base or the powers, you still have x as 256. So here our x is 256. We've gotten x to be equals to 256. Now it's our time to prove, to check whether this value is correct. So let's replace it here and see whether we have the left hand side equals the right hand side. If they're equal, it means the value of x as this is correct. Now let's see. 4 raised to the power of x, that our x here is 256 and is equal to x here, which is 256 raised to the power 64. Let's use the base as 4. Base 4. We also use base 2 to check if it's correct. Now 256 can be written as 4 raised to the power 4. 10 times raised to the power 64. Of course, 4 times 64 is 7256. So 4 this times this is 256. That means the left hand side equals to the right hand side, and it shows that the value of x as 256 was correct. But let's try with power 2. With power 2, what you need to do is just change this to power 2, or to base 2 rather. 4 here can be written as 2 squared. Don't go far, just use this one. 4 is 2 squared, 10 times 256. The same thing here, 2 squared times 256. Like I said, a raised to the power m n can be written as a raised to the power n m, and can be written as a raised to the power. You can put this inside, put n inside, then take n outside. So if you do that, that means here we have 2 times this. 2 times 256 is 512, and it's equal to the same thing here, 512. And whether you use power base 2, you have 2 raised to the power of 512, both on the left hand side and on the right hand side. If you use power 4, you have 4 raised to the power 256 here and here. If so if the left hand side equals the right hand side when substituted with 256, what should that tell us? It means that the value of x being equal to 256 was very correct. Am I lying? So if you like what I just did, and for more of this, you want to support me, like this video, share, follow for more of this. See you in my next video. Bye bye.